Let me now take you on the ground. Ram Navami in Ayodhya. There have been many Ram Navamis in Ayodhya Nagari, but this one is truly special. In many ways, you get to see the reason that this Ram Navami is known for, which is the birthday of Lord Ram. Abhishek Mishra is there. Abhishek, a moment that you are recording for yourself. What a special assignment to be on. Tell us, what is the mood like? How different is it from Pran Pratishtha? Is it more vigor, more energy? Is it more devotional, more color? What do you see around you?
Well, certainly, Pooja, it has come with a lot of excitement and color as far as this Navami is concerned, because it's the first ever Ram Navami after the consecration of Ram temple in Ayodhya, and we'll show you the visuals and keep discussing about it. See how the people are constantly coming, the devotees who are coming in big numbers from the several parts of the country, and it is expected that lakhs of people are going to
go and get
today.
a word from some of these people, devotees.
From where they have come. Kahan se aaye aap?
We are coming from Tirupur, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Yes.
This is the first time you have ever come to?
No, I am coming second time.
Okay.
But Mandir, after Mandir, I am coming first time.
How does it feel to be in the ambience and everything?
It was so excellent, so excellent.
You were expecting such kind of celebration or such kind of huge, kind of preparation for the Ram Navami?
Yes, sure, of course.
You all have also come together. Aap bhi saath mein aaye?
Yes.
So how did you find Ayodhya? It is beautiful.
Very beautiful that.
So absolutely, these are the people who have come from down south, and you see the footwork, it's constantly going on. Devotees are coming now. The time for the the Lord Ram's birth is nearby. Approximately 12:16 is the time for the Surya Abhishek, and that will be done. So that is something which is very important and is currently underway here in Ayodhya. Yes.
Anyone who talks of the north-south divide only had to see that the first devotee who accidentally, that Abhishek was there, was from Tamil Nadu, and for the first time visiting, but has visited earlier as well. These are the visuals coming in of Yogi Adityanath performing a Havan as well. And this is not at the Ram temple, this is at Gorakhpur. Remember, because apart from being the UP Chief Minister, he's also the head monk when it comes to the Gorakhpur Mandir. So that is his own religion, devotional duties that he's following right now. While simultaneously, the Shringar, getting the Ram Lalla ready, giving him a bath, and then to ensure that he's ready for his birthday celebration. Of course, I'm using these modern terms for our viewers to also understand, but this Ram Navami, it is as much about the birth of Lord Ram, but also the anointment. And if you're wondering, the Surya Abhishek, Surya Tilak, specific to this reason, while there are other temples as well, specifically with regard to sun god, where there is this architectural brilliance that you see of the sun rays hitting the deity and its different body parts. But this one is specific. One of the reasons is because Lord Ram is seen as the descendant of the Suryavanshi dynasty, but also in many ways it is considered that the sort of qualities that sun has, the sun god has, for example, whether it's valor, it's energy, all of that is Lord Ram representing as well. And that is the reason in Ayodhya it's such a big celebration. Sanjay Sharma is getting us what the fervor on the ground is looking like right now.
अयोध्या मगन है, अयोध्या इठला रही है, अयोध्या इतरा रही है, क्योंकि बहुत सदियों बाद अपने प्रिय लाल रघुवर सरकार को लाड लडाने का ऐसा दिव्य और मनोहर मौका आया है, अवसर आया है। वैसे तो हर साल कनक भवन में, दशरथ महल में ऐसे ही बधाइयों का रेला जुटता है, लेकिन इस बार आनंद कुछ खास है, आनंद कुछ अलग है, आनंद कुछ अमृतमय है। और ये कनक बिहारी सरकार के यहाँ दर्शन है, जहाँ ये पूरा अहाता जब राम जन्म के उत्सव में मगन होता है तो उस समय तिल धरने की जगह नहीं मिलती, और यहाँ एक से एक, यानी आज आपको यहाँ पर बधाई गाने का मौका मिला है।
बहुत अच्छा मिला है, खूब अच्छी तरह गाएंगे, नूचेंगे, गाएंगे, खूब नाचेंगे, झूमेंगे।
कहाँ से आई हो?
गुना, ग्वालियर।
अच्छा, ग्वालियर से।
हाँ। तेरी मन मुस्कानिया पे, तेरी मन मुस्कानिया पे, बलिहार राघव जे, अरे बलिहार राघव जे, तेरे मन मुस्कानिया पे, तेरी मन
लिहार बलिहार।
All right, so this is the Shringhar ceremony, the arrangements, the readiness. You can see the yellow and pink attire that has been chosen for Ram Lala, for the Ram Navami. And it's getting the birthday boy ready. And then there will be, of course, the Surya Abhishek, the anointment by Sun God to have chosen Prabhu Sri Ram as the Lord Ram to then take over the era, remember, and bind the country together, bind the religion and people together and lead them to a better future.